Alright everybody, welcome back to another video for the series of Nginx as a load balancer. And in this video we are going to log into our droplets that we just deployed in our previous video and log in and update our server, change the password, and make sure our server is up to date. And for that, if you're a Windows user, you will need to use a software called Putty or Putty or Putty. That's a free SSH telnet client for Windows. But if you are using Ubuntu or Mac operating system, you can just simply use terminal and you can just type SSH space your username, which in our case is root, and then IP address, something like that. So that's a simple command you can use in Mac or Ubuntu, but for Windows user we are going to be using Putty. Okay, so our IP address, I'm going to be logging into load balancer first, and then I will just update my app server 1 and 2 later, so I can save some time and keep the videos short. So I'm gonna host name is 159 dot oops, and well, that was not easy. Okay, 159.65.35.177. Okay, looks like it's the same. I could have just copied, but I just entered. Our default port is 22 SSH. Make sure everything's correct and open. Okay, and you will get a security warning like this that you're trying server's host key is not cached in our system. So simply just click yes, and you will see something like this. So I'm gonna change some setting. Where is it? Oh, change settings, key, no, window appearance. Okay, and where did it go? Oh, change font size. Okay, so I'm gonna maximize this one. How? God, come on. Yeah, it's Control Plus, isn't it? Never mind. Okay, root, and then my password, which I copied and just right clicked. It will automatically paste here. You will not be able to see that, but it's done, and hit enter. And it will ask, okay, just like that. I forgot. I use mostly Mac, and there's a Control Plus to maximize the screen size, but yep, whatever. Something every day you learn or remember. All right, so we're back. So changing password, it will ask you by default, first login, you want to change your password. So you right click, I just right click on it, entered. And now I'm gonna use some kind of simple password that I can remember. But one of the other thing I wanna tell you guys is that if you're deploying your server or something, please select a secure password. You can use the same password given by DigitalOcean, or you can generate random password strings. I would say 12 to 20 some characters at least, because previously I have had issues with attackers. They would be able to attack DDoS on your system and SSH in. And if you got an easy password that can be guessed or dictionary attack, that's gonna be a problem. The other thing we can do is that we can either disable SSH and have SSH key to log in, so disable password for the SSH. But this series is not about how to secure your droplet or virtual server. This series is about how to use Nginx as a load balancer. So I might create another series that is about security of your virtual server, but for now I'm just gonna go with some password that I can remember and just retype the password. All right, so I'm here. So next thing you want to do is sudo apt-get if I can type update, and sudo apt-get upgrade, enter. So So what it does, it basically pulls, the updated versions or list of these applications that those are installed by default in your virtual server, and it just updates them. So you want to pull the information first, and it will ask you whether you want to update or not, upgrade or not. And upgrade command will ask yes and no, which I just did, entered Y, yes, and there we go. It's going to be upgrading everything, and we can wait for that, or I'll just come back. All right, everybody, looks like our upgrade is done. So that's all we need for our droplets to change the password and update and upgrade, and that's it for this series. I'm going to be doing the same thing for application server 1 and 2. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.